Guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to wish everybody a happy Sunday. If you're watching this video on another day, I hope your day is going great as well. I'm back with this week's CVS deals, and we have so much going on, but make sure you watch this video till the end because I found some great clearance items. Buy 2 any dog toys or treats, get $5 back, limit of 1. I checked this section and the cheapest item I can find is the Possible Chewy Roll, priced at $2.99 each. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $5.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items 99 cents or 49 cents each. And this is a good filler item if you have a 10 off 70 and you're trying to reach it. The next 2 items I'll be sharing is not giving back any extra care box, but it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 free. Picking up 2 packs of the Kit Kat, priced at $5.99. Remember, 1 will be free. We received a 3 off 2 instant CRT last week. I printed mine out and it expired on Saturday, but my store accepts expired CRT up to 2 days. And we received another one on Sunday. That's another 3 off 2. The 2 CRTs are going to combine and take off 6, but since the price is $5.99, it's going to adjust down, pay 0 and get both bags free. Bactine is part of the buy 1 get $5 back, and I'll be sharing 3 ways to do this. Picking up the Bactine Max Pain Relieving Cleansing Spray, priced at $11.29. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, use it with this deal because it's not on sale. You have to pay the $11.29 and get $5 back. Then submit the receipt to Ibotta for a $2 back, and it's a limit of 5 in case you pick up more, making this product just $4.29 only. The second way to do this is picking up the wound wash, priced at $14.29. Still having no coupon for this, pay the $14.49, get $5 back, then submit the receipt to Ibotta for a $4.99 back, making it just $4.50 only. The third way to do this deal is picking up the Lidocaine dry spray, priced at $11.79. Pay that amount, then get $5 back, submit the receipt to Ibotta for a $3.74 back, making it just $3.04 only. The deal with Revlon this week is on spend 20, get $8 back, and this is a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the eyeliners, priced at $9.99 each. 2 of them will come up to $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule. I have 2 of the $3 coupon. I got this from coupons.com. It's still available. And everybody received the $5 instant CRT today. That will bring it down to $8.98. Get $8 back, making both items 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal will be on CoverGirl. It's on a tier deal this week. Buy 2 get 5 or buy 3 get $8. You have to pick one. Picking up 3 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend Pencil, priced at $4.99 each. Then use 3 of the $3 coupon we got from the 730 savings set. It's going to bring it down to $5.97, and you get $8 back, making all 3 items free and a $2.03 money maker. John Frieda Hair Care is part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the leave-in conditioner spray, priced at $11.49 each. 2 of them will come up to $22.98. I have no coupons for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it with these items because they are not on sale. Or if you have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT, this will be a good item to add to it. Pay the $22.98 if you don't have any of the CRTs I just talked about. Get $10 back. Then submit the receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one of them, a total of $6, making both items $6.98 or $3.49 each. Garnier Fructis is on buy 2, get $2 back, and this is a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Garnier Fructis products, you can mix or match anyhow you want, but they are priced at $4.69 each. The 2 of them will come up to $9.38. Everybody received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to this and bring it down to $6.38. get $2 back, making both items $4.38 or $2.19 each. Whole blend is also on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back, limit of 1 as well. Picking up 2 of the whole blends, priced at $5.59. These 2 items will come up to $11.18. Everyone received a 3 off 2 whole blend digital coupon today. That will bring it down to $8.18 and get $2 back, making both items $6.18 or $3.09 each. The next hair care deal will be on the Love Beauty and Planet hair care. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back, and it's on sale for 2 for $13. Picking up 2, everyone received a 4 off 2 digital coupon. That will bring it down to $9 and you get $2 back, making both products $7 or $3.50 each. If you're doing this deal, be careful because at my store there are so many of these items on clearance, and clearance items don't give back extra care box. Aveeno Kids and Baby are part of the spend 12 get $3 back, limit of 1, and I'll be showing you 2 ways to do this. If your store have 3 of those Aveeno face body wipes, pick up 3 at $5.49 each. Use 3 of the $2.50 Aveeno coupons. We have one in our app, and you can print 2 out from coupons.com. That will bring it down to $8.97 and you get $3 back, making all 3 items $5.97 or $1.99 each. The second way to do this deal will be picking up the Kids Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner priced at $12.49. Using the $2.50 digital coupon, it will bring it down to $9.99. You pay that and get $3 back, making it just $6.99. The next deal is on soft soap body wash. It's part of the buy 1 get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $6.59 each. These 2 items will come up to $13.18. Everybody received a $2.50 off 2 digital coupon today. That will bring it down to $10.68 and you get $4 back, making both products $6.68 or $3.34 each. Nivea Men Body Wash or Women Body Wash is on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, but I'll be talking about the men. It's priced at $6.79 each. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $13.58. I don't have any coupon for this, and if you have a body wash CRT, you can use it with this deal, or if you have a percentage of CRT, you can also use it because they are not on sale. Pay the $13.58 if you don't have any coupon or CRT, then get $4 back. Check your Ibotta cost. Mine, I have $1 back for the men. That will be a total of $2, making both items $7.58 or $3.79 each. But if you do the women, adjust your math, there is a $2 Ibotta rebate for it as well. Speed Stick deodorant is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $5.84. And I checked speedstick.com and I printed out 2 75-cent coupons for each one of them. With the coupons, it will bring it down to $4.34 and you get $3 back, making both items $1.34 or 67 cents each. I'll be sharing 4 ways to do the spend 40 get $10 back, and the first way to do it will be picking up 2 of the Secret Dry Spray. It's priced at $9.49. Pick up 2. My store have only one of the body spray priced at $9.29, so I'll be picking that one up. And also the dry spray priced at $8.99. They have only 2. I'll be picking that 2 up as well. To be able to get to 40, I'll be picking up also one of the Old Spice deodorant priced at $8.49. These are all the items I'll be using for the first spend 40 get $10 back. And let me explain how the buy 1 get 1 half off is going to work. As you can see with the Secret Dry Spray, I have 2 of those, so that's fine. One will be full price and the second one will be half off. And the Old Spice Dry Spray, I also have 2. One will be full price and one will be half off. The body spray, I only have 1, and the deodorant, I only have 1. The high priced one, which is the body spray, will be $9.29, and the deodorant is the one that will be half off. That will be the $4.25. All these items will come up to $41.27, which is way past the spend 40. We have a 5 off 3 Old Spice digital coupon, and we also have a 4 off 2 Secret deodorant digital coupon as well. Last 2 weeks, we received a 3 off 2 Old Spice Secret deodorant or spray CRT. If you printed yours out and your store accepts expired CRT up to 2 days like mine, you can still use it. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $29.27. Pay that and get $10 back. Check your Ibotta, cause for the Secret Dry Spray, there is a $4 back when you buy 2. And for the Old Spice, there is a $2 attaching to each one of them. That will bring back another $8. And for the body spray and also the dry spray, there is another $1 that is attaching to it as well. That means each one of them will give back $3. And after all the rebates, all these 6 items will end up costing me just $4.27 or 71 cents each. Don't forget to check the description box, because I always attach a Google Doc in case you want to print it out and take it to the store with you. The second way to do this deal is by picking up 4 of the Axe body spray. It's also on sale for buy one get one half off. And please don't forget that this deal is a limit of 1 per card. I'm only sharing 4 ways to do it. It's priced at $7.49. 2 of them will be full price and 2 of them will be half off. And also pick up 4 of the Dove hair care. You can mix or match however way you want. And they're also on sale for buy one get one half off. It's priced at $5.49. 2 will be full price and 2 will be half off. These 8 items did not come up to $40 for me, so I need a filler item. So I went to the travel and trial section, and I saw this hand sanitizer. It's on sale for buy one get one half off, but I just need one to get to $40, so I'll be picking up the one price at $2.09. The total for all these items are $41.33, and use 2 of the BOGO Axe coupon from 730 savings set is going to take off $7.50 times 2. I also have a 4 off 20 Axe deodorant CRT that will apply to this. And in the same 730 savings set, we have a 4 off 2 Dove hair care coupon. Use 2 of those. That will bring it down to $14.33, and you get $10 back, making all 9 items $4.33 or 48 cents each. The third way to do this deal will be picking up 2 of the Downy fabric conditioner on sale for $6.99 each. Then 2 of the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 as well. All 4 items will come up to $39.96, which is within the 98% rule. Use 2 $1 Downy coupon. We have one in our app. And also check the P&G website and print out another one. And for the Tide, use 2 of the $3 coupon. We have one in our app. You can check P&G website and print out one, or you can also go to 730 savings set and use one from there. That will bring it down to $31.96. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 4 items $21.96 or $5.49 each. The fourth way I'll be sharing to do this deal will be picking up Cottonelle 9 mega roll on sale for $10.49. 1 Viva signature cloth on sale for $10.49 as well. Add 1 of the Downy fabric conditioner on sale for $6.99. And the last one will be the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These 4 items will come up to $40.96. They use the $3 digital coupon for the Tide and the $1 digital coupon for the Downy as well. It will bring it down to $36.96 and you get $10 back. Then submit the receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on the Cottonelle. So if you want to switch out the Viva for the Cottonelle, that way you can get $2 back from Ibotta, depending on what you need, making these 4 items $25.96 or $6.49 each. You can mix or match the spend 40 get $10 back however way you like. These are just what I put together. I hope it will be very helpful. The next day will be on buy any ensure. You buy 2, you get $5 back. We've been having this deal for weeks now. Picking up 2 of the vanilla shake, the 6-pack, priced at $12.49. The two of them will come up to $24.98. I'll be using two of the paper coupon I got from insure.com. They emailed it to me, and also use a 4 off 25 any protein powder, shakes or bar CRT. It will bring it down to $14.98 and you get $5 back, making both items $9.98 or $4.99 each. Nature Valley granola bar is on sale for $1.99 each. Picking up two of the boxes, the 6 packs, that will bring it up to $3.98. We all have a 50 cents off 2 boxes digital coupon that will apply to this and bring it down to $3.49. Then check your Ibotta because I have a 50 cents back when you buy 2. That will bring it down to $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal will be on Oreos. They're on the deal of buy 2, get $2 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Oreo cake stars, priced at $5.99 each. 2 of them will come up to $11.98. If you have any coupon, you can add to it, or you can also use your percentage of CRT, depending on what you like, or you can add it to a next purchase CRT. But if you don't have any of those, you have to pay the $11.98, get $2 back, making both items $9.98 or $4.99. Now I'll be showing some of the clearance items I found. Some of them are on 75% off. Just go through it. Hopefully your store will have it, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.